Did you know birds have favorite fruits just like we do? Many birds love berries, bananas, and grapes because they're soft, juicy, and packed with natural sugars for quick energy. But here's the amazing part. When birds eat these fruits, they often carry the seeds to new places and spread them through their droppings. This helps forests grow naturally, making birds some of nature's most important gardeners. Every bite a bird takes can help create a future forest. Nature's tiny gardeners are always hard at work. Follow the Fruit Encyclopedia for more amazing fruit and wildlife facts.